What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over 9 free keyword research tools that you can use for YouTube to come up with a bunch of different keyword ideas and turn those keyword ideas into content ideas. So we're going to get started here with YouTube Autocomplete. Now keep in mind, as I go through this video and go through some of these different tools, a lot of them have paid versions, but I'm going to show you you don't even need to use the paid versions to get all of the keyword data you need for whatever topic you are creating videos about. So I'm creating videos about Microsoft Surface, so I need to find the most popular keywords. The first place you want to start, YouTube Autocomplete. Just basically enter the main search term here into YouTube. Whatever short tail keyword that represents the topic you're creating videos about, that's where you want to start. So we have Microsoft Surface here, and you can see all of these different things here are all basically different devices and laptops and tablets. So what I need to do first is make sure I can get my hands on all these tablets and laptops. But if you create a video for all of these, and one unboxing video, one separate review video, you are going to have a ton of views on your channel just simply going through these different keywords here and creating those 2 different videos for each of these keywords. So this is where I would start with YouTube, is just using YouTube Autocomplete no matter what topic you're creating videos about. For example, if I'm creating videos about Google Search Console, I start typing in Google Search Console here, and you can see just by entering Google Search Console, I have all of these different keywords, and I could take all of these keywords and come up with at least, let's say, 10 different video ideas. A tutorial, how to connect it to your blog, how to connect it with WordPress, how to set it up on any website, how to submit your sitemap. These are all different videos that I can easily create, and videos that I'll likely create this year. So this is how I come up with my main video ideas to get started, is just simply using YouTube Autocomplete. Now, the next 3 are going to be Chrome extensions that you can use that are completely free to use. They do have paid versions, but you don't even ever have to use YouTube to come up with a bunch of different keyword ideas using these 3 different tools. So the first one is going to be keywordseverywhere.com. The second one is going to be TubeBuddy.com, and the third one is going to be vidIQ.com. Now, vidIQ.com and TubeBuddy.com are for the most part paid tools, but they do have a lot of free things that you can use with their Chrome extension that give you plenty of ideas. So let's get started with Keywords Everywhere. You can go directly to the Chrome Web Store and download the extension for free. And when you have this extension installed, let's just say we're going to install the other 2 as well. We'll go through all 3 tools at once. The TubeBuddy extension I have installed, and I have the vidIQ Vision for YouTube installed. So we have all 3 of these different extensions installed already on Chrome. If we come back over here, we do a search. We have our search here. This is Microsoft Surface I've searched. So what we're doing, we'll change our search term up here. So what we're doing first is we come over here to Keywords Everywhere, and you're going to see some search insights. They give you ranking difficulty, maximum views, average views. You get some statistics up here at the top. But as we come down, you can see YouTube trend data for a specific keyword, the Microsoft Surface. This isn't always the best thing to look at because sometimes search interest peaks depending on when they're coming out with specific products or if there's a new release date. So I wouldn't worry too much about trend data unless you're seeing the trend go completely down over time. Now we come down here, you can see the most used tags for all of these different videos that are on this page. So Microsoft Surface, Surface Pro 9, these are all a bunch of different keywords that we can easily start to target with our videos. Scroll down, you can see they give us 3 different trending keywords. So some of the keywords that are actually seeing a rise in search queries, some different topics that we may want to cover now. Related keywords, so you're going to see a bunch of different long tail keywords here related to the Microsoft Surface. Some of these are kind of redundant from autocomplete, so you're going to see some redundancy there as you start to go through this process. But what I like to do with TubeBuddy and with vidIQ is, now these are overlapping right here. So if we click Enable Inline Keywords for vidIQ, and we click on View Details for TubeBuddy. So we're going to click on both of these things here. We scroll down, and what you can see is when we're looking at some of these different videos, they're going to show us the tags. If they don't have any tags, it's going to tell us there are no tags. So let's scroll down here to some that do have tags, and you can see it's going to be the same thing. You have all these tags here, but I like TubeBuddy.com because I could just come here, copy these tags, copy them to my clipboard, and then if I'm creating videos about the same exact topic, then I know I can use those tags for my video. Same thing here is if we come over to vidIQ, you can copy these tags directly to your clipboard with vidIQ. So both of these allow you to see all the tags for these different videos. So seeing all these tags, you can say, okay, 15-inch laptop, 13.5-inch laptop, laptops with Dolby Atmos audio sound. There's all sorts of keywords you can find by just simply looking at tags for some of these different popular videos. And it really helps when you have creators who use a ton of different tags, because then you can come up with a lot of different keyword ideas. So if you see my videos, I generally use every single character I can for tags. So that will help you find a ton of different ideas as you go through the process of trying to find some different keywords for your YouTube channel. So by using keywords everywhere, using TubeBuddy and using VidIQ, you can get a bunch of different keyword ideas. The other thing I really like about keywords everywhere, this is why this is like my second favorite tool, because it's completely free to just say, okay, I want to find YouTube keywords for Microsoft Surface. It's going to open up a brand new page and it's just going to find an endless amount of keywords about Microsoft Surface, starting with the most popular keywords from Autocomplete, and then it's just going to go into usually alphabetical keywords. But you also get a lot of these: how to turn on a Microsoft Surface laptop, how to connect a Microsoft Surface Pen, how to reset a Microsoft Surface Go. If you have all of these devices, you can create how to screenshot on a Microsoft Surface. You can create a bunch of different videos very easily and very quickly. We're up over 453 keyword ideas. We're only at 33%. Over 500. So you have all sorts of different keyword ideas here, and eventually they're just going to alphabetize these keywords. But generally what I do is I'll take a lot of these keywords. You can download, either copy them directly to your clipboard, create an Excel file, create a CSV file. So I will download these keywords and go through them basically one by one to say, okay, this keyword represents a great topic for a new video. So keywords everywhere is one of my absolute favorite tools when I'm trying to create content about a specific topic. So those are my first 4 out of my 9 free tools that you can use. Now they do have paid options for keywords everywhere, for TubeBuddy, and for vidIQ.com. So you can use the paid options if you want, if that makes sense for your business. But let's get into tool number 5. One of my favorite, if not my favorite, keyword research tool is just the Google Keyword Planner. I've spent so much time in the Keyword Planner doing PPC, SEO keyword research. So we come into the Keyword Planner. You can access this completely free through your Google Ads account. Go to Tools and Settings, under Planning, go to Keyword Planner. And if we click on Discover New Keywords and we start with keywords, we could just basically say, let's enter Microsoft Surface here, click on Enter, and click on Get Results. It's going to give us a ton of different long tail keyword ideas. So over 1,500 keyword ideas related to the Microsoft Surface. What I do like a lot about the Keyword Planner is as you start coming down here, you're going to see a bunch of different keywords that may not be exactly long tail keywords related to the Microsoft Surface. They're going to find some of the most relevant keywords that people are searching. So you can come in here and say, okay, Microsoft Pen. Maybe I can create a video about the Microsoft Pen, how to use it, how to connect it, some ways to use it that people may not be aware of. So you can see Surface Pro Pen, Surface Go Laptop, Surface Earbuds. So you can find other keywords here. So as you start to build out your channel and you're really struggling to come up with keyword ideas, I really like the Keyword Planner. You could also add a filter and just say, I want to make sure my keyword text contains Microsoft Surface. Click on Apply. They're going to give us every single keyword that contains Microsoft Surface that people actively search in Google. 488 keyword ideas. We can do this by average monthly searches, and now we're seeing the most popular keywords that people are actively searching about a specific topic. So my 5th keyword tool, the Google Keyword Planner. I absolutely love the Keyword Planner, and I use it all the time if I'm trying to come up with long tail keywords. Okay, that's going to bring us to our next 2 keyword research tools, all geared around questions. The next one is going to be AnswerThePublic.com. So AnswerThePublic, you enter a topic, brand, or product here. I entered Microsoft Surface, click on search. If you register, you can do 3 free searches per day, but you don't have to register to actually make a search. I think they give you 1 or 2 free searches per day. So I entered Microsoft Surface, and what I like here is they have different ways you can actually view a lot of these different keywords and questions. So starting with questions here, if we scroll down, you can see they've actually given you a little bit more data to what people are searching the most and what people are searching the least. So you can come in here and see, okay, these ones that have more of a bolder color, what Microsoft Surface do I have? Maybe not the best thing to create a video about. When Microsoft Surface Pro 8. So they're not all perfect here, but will Microsoft Surface Pen work on iPad? Now, personally, I would rather just use the data portion here. And what I like to do is look through some of these top keywords in all these different categories. So things like, can Microsoft Surface Pro run games? That can be an easy video. And even though the search volume doesn't look like a lot, a video like this can easily get plenty of views because there's people actively searching these questions. And what's going to happen is hopefully your video can rank on Google as well as YouTube when people are searching for this information. Now, if we keep scrolling down here, in addition to all of the questions, you can also see they have prepositions. So if we click on data here, they have a bunch of different ideas as well that you can come up with. Generally, what I'll do is same exact thing here is I will download this as a CSV file and I will go through all of these different keywords here. And what I like about keywords is I can take a specific keyword and say, okay, I can answer this question by creating a video that is exactly about this. And what you're doing is you're actively creating resources that people are looking for. That's your whole goal with YouTube, is creating resources that people are looking for. So in addition to AnswerThePublic.com, you can also use Askcom. This gives you 3 free searches per day. You can also sign up for a paid plan. But if you just search something like Microsoft Surface, we have a bunch of different questions here, and you can quickly and easily come up with some different content ideas by looking at all of these different questions over on the right-hand side. You can also put something like Microsoft Surface Pro or enter other specific models, and they're going to come up with some different questions completely related to that model. So if you're saying I'm creating videos about, let's say, the Microsoft Surface Pro 9, just enter Microsoft Surface Pro 9 in the search bar, and they're going to give you a bunch of different questions, and you can easily take those questions and turn them into content ideas. So AnswerThePublic and also Ask.com, great for finding things that people are actively looking for based on your topic. Now, coming over to our free tool, number 8 is going to be Google Trends. So I've gone over how to use Google Trends to come up with YouTube video ideas. I'll put that video link in the description for this video. But if you enter Microsoft Surface as a search term, you can see the interest over time. You can see you can do by specific location, specific time periods. You can adjust categories. And what I've already done is I've gone into YouTube search rather than web search, since we're doing YouTube keyword research. So if we're in YouTube search, we scroll down. Interest by subregion, not overly helpful for something on YouTube. Related topics, so you may be able to come through here and see some of these different topics. Sometimes with topics that can help you come up with ideas, whether it's rising or top. So you can see things that people are actively looking for. What I really like though is the related queries here. So with this, they'll give you the rising search queries, and you'll see they give us 25 different rising search queries. So even if you see something like Dell XPS 13 Plus, take this keyword and say the Microsoft Surface, whatever the most similar laptop that they have to the Dell XPS 13 Plus, compare the two of them and do pros and cons, which is better, which is worse, reasons why you may want one rather than the other. So take a lot of these ideas, and when it's rising, that means more and more people are searching these terms. So come through, look at all these different terms. Again, you could download this as a CSV file as well. So if you've gone through and you've actually said, okay, I'm going to download the CSV file from Google Trends, I'm going to download the CSV file from AnswerThePublic.com, I'm going to download my CSV file that Keywords Everywhere gave me. So when they did this search, we have over 1,100 YouTube keywords for Microsoft Surface here. Maybe you even download the CSV file from the Google Keyword Planner. You combine all of those keywords and remove duplicates. You're going to have a ton of different keywords to go through. So this is my 8th free keyword research tool, is using Google Trends specifically for these rising related queries to see what people are actively searching right now. You can also just go to top, and again, top will give you a bunch of different ideas as well, and you can see the overall interest in all these different things here. So if we come all the way down here to 25, ton of different ideas that you can easily take for the Microsoft Surface. Now, last but not least, similar to Keywords Everywhere, if you don't want to actually download a Chrome extension, what you could do is just come into keywordtool.io. They have different search engines here, so choose YouTube and just enter our keyword here, Microsoft Surface. And they've given us 695 total keywords. So we can scroll down here and we can look at all of these different keywords again. And again, they start to give them us in alphabetical order, similar to Keywords Everywhere. They don't have as many keywords as Keywords Everywhere for this specific search, but plenty of ideas here that you can easily take. And again, you could download another CSV file from here. So this is going to be my 9th free keyword research tool. Basically, you don't really need to use this if you're using Keywords Everywhere. You can just simply enter your search in YouTube, click on Find YouTube Keywords for Microsoft Surface, and now you have yourself a ton of different content ideas. And if you have a channel like Microsoft Surface here, so over 500 subscribers. Obviously, Microsoft owns this specific channel, so they have plenty of resources to create videos. But if you create your own Microsoft Surface channel, if you have a bunch of these different laptops here and tablets, you can create a bunch of different videos and make sure you're actually gearing your videos towards what people are actively searching. So these are 9 free keyword research tools for YouTube. With them, you can come up with an entire year's worth of content ideas, or multiple years worth of content ideas for your channel. And then all you need to do is just keep everything updated as they release new devices. Just keep creating more and more videos. So it's really that simple. As you are doing your YouTube keyword research and then turning those keywords into content ideas, use these free keyword research tools. You really don't need paid keywords. What you really need to do is create really good content and create content that people are looking for. So if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.